That wasn't me.
That one.
If you're gonna do it, hey, Keith. No, not that way, not that way. No! Fucking war zone.
Retard.
Oh shit. Man, I would like seriously cover. Everybody's covered with time.
It's a bottle rocket. It doesn't hurt that bad.
It just stings.
Alright, go.
Dump it in. Come on.
Puss.
Push.
Whoa.
Get a little bit Run closer. Around.
You need a better fuel delivery system.
Just tilt it back and dump. Don't worry about the flames.
It's only fire.
It's only fire, it won't hurt.
Just for a second, and we'll get over it.
Alright, throw the bottle rockets in.
Ah, fuck it.
Oh, jeez. Everything.
Oh, damn!
That's getting kind of close. Wait for it. Wait for it.
I don't think it's done yet. Go throw some more diesel in.
We're out of diesel.
We need to go get some more.
Bye-bye, teddy bear!
Oh shit.
You got that, right?
Maybe.
Wait for it. My containers.
Oh, it's going now.
Oh, wait, come on. What are you guys doing now?
Oh, something's catching.
It's too hot. We're just kind of.
Do we still got the fire carcass to throw away?
More around out of those smaller fires.
That was a good one.
Come on, there's a paint can in there yet.
Oh, there
It was something.
I threw that one in there.
Oh, it's still falling.
That's some pretty neat colors, man. I don't think I've ever seen blue in a fire like that. What?
Think of your sirens.
No, you don't. You're only in your head.
Hey, I wonder if they're basic.
Keith, go dump that oil in there.
Fuck you.
Just throw the whole thing in. It's perfectly safe. Go do it.
No, wait. Now put your key. Ah, yeah. Many uses of duct tape.
Come on, Thelma, throw it in there. Oh shit.
Oh. Yeah, right on the heat.
How long are we gonna have to wait for that to go?
Remember, we don't know what else is in it.
That's a good idea. It's going. Yeah. Getting a little warm now. Yeah, Myra, you want to get down?
Why am I the closest one?
And this is how Scooby-Doo
I'm the closest one. This is not right.
Don't worry, buddy. I'll sit next to you.
Oh, okay.
We both go
You gonna put me out if I get on fire?
Alright, guys, take cover. Getting bright.
Holy crap. Sure, it's annoying. I can't even focus on it.
Scooby's going on fire. Bye-bye, Scooby.
5, 4,
Scooby's on fire.
Just two?
Come on, Scooby! That was only two. There's 3. 5 more to go. 7. There's the can.
Come on. 4. 6. More, yeah.
That is awesome! Go, baby, go! Die, Scooby! The fiery pits of hell!
Oh, what are you doing?
Good.
Come on, Scooby!
Uh-oh.
Wait, Ken! No, put him down, put him down!
Actually got the...
I would run to the house.
You got the box to land in there.
Pure stupid luck.
Some marshmallows. Here you go.
Alright. Now that we're content on who has drinks.
Clear.
Uh-oh.
This is gonna boom real quick.
It pick a spin! Oh fuck!
Holy shit! What?
Watch the chair! Watch the chair!
A little bit.
Stop coming! Okay, that's the second best one! I knew that was going wrong from the beginning.
I lost track. That was... we all...
Blew a hole in my fire pit!
Yeah, we might want to reinforce that wall next time.
Gotta make it a little higher, huh?
3 feet probably. Yeah.
Of all the places it comes out at.
It comes shooting right at us.
Fucking trying to run.
It was pretty sweet shot.